Welcome to the Online Business Simplified podcast. I'm your host, Mario. Let's get into today's subject. Can someone explain what digital marketing actually is? So far from what I've seen is people selling resellable digital products. That then gets resold again, and it's a continued cycle. Or have I got the wrong idea? I am the author of 4 books. 3 of those are business books. I'll link them down in the description. Well, ma'am, it says Her Boss Mindset. You've got the wrong idea. And that is the problem today. A lot of people are misinterpreting what digital marketing is. So I'm going to draw out a process. Anything you post that's content that's leading people to a product, that's digital marketing. Digital marketing is not reselling a course. So here's what it is. I created a system. It's called BYOE, Pathway to Profits Framework. BYOE stands for Build Your Online Education Business. And when I came up with this, I didn't do this on purpose. Okay. So you got CC, AA. These are just acronyms to help you remember this stuff. FF. And what is the other one? MM. Okay. The CC is Content Catalyst. Content Catalyst. And the idea is that you create one piece of content that could be a video, YouTube. In that video, I'm looking at this camera. Y'all see that camera here? You make a piece of long form content. You break that piece of long form content up into smaller pieces. That's digital marketing, right? You post on Threads, on Instagram. And then from that content, you want to get them on an audience you own, right? That's email list. That's where the AA comes in. That's Asset Amplifier. And the Asset Amplifier, you create 2 things. These are digital assets. That's part of digital marketing. So you might create, I use an ebook. It works really well. So you got an ebook, or it can be like a video series, something where you say, in exchange for this thing that I'm going to train you on, that I'm going to give you for free, you can just give me your email address and I'll send it over to you. All right. It could be an audio book or some type of special audio thing. All right. Asset amplifiers and a course. All right. So course, I'm trying to draw a hat with a tassel. I did all right. Okay. So Content Catalyst, Asset Amplifier. The third part of the framework is funnel fuel. And all the funnel is you send traffic to a landing page, you get their email address, and then you nurture them and you present an offer to them. It's that simple. All right. And the things you use to present that offer, whether it's social media, ads, that is also digital marketing, not reselling the course itself. So in funnel fuel, this is email marketing. So you're going to send a set of emails and you're going to nurture them. In the first step, Content Catalyst, you're creating content on a weekly basis. That's what I teach. And the last thing is, you don't even do this part until after you get the first 3 done. The last part, MM, is Momentum Machine. Momentum Machine. And you can Google this. It's called the BYOE Pathway to Profits. You won't find it on Google because I created it. Okay? Momentum Machine. And this is after you have started creating content, you got a library of content, you're starting to get some people interested in what you teach. You offer them a deeper level. You offer them an opportunity to go deeper with you. You get them on your email list. You own that. The platforms, the algorithms, I hear you guys complain about it all the time. Why is my post not reaching enough people? It's because they own it. They can say who reaches your post and who's important and who's not. If you get them on your email list, you own that. Next step, funnel fuel, you start sending them emails. The momentum machine is after you figure out, all right, I can send this many people to this landing page, I convert this many people, I make this many sales. Then you throw ads at it. And this is what the momentum machine is about, right? I'm doing that right now. I'm running ads to a landing page for an ebook. It's doing real well. The video, I'm running Google ads and Facebook ads. But right now, Google ads is crushing it. I got like 12,000 views in 2 weeks, maybe less than that. And then subsequently, the other things that's happening is I'm increasing subscribers on my YouTube channel. I'm increasing leads that I get on my email list. By definition, when you increase the amount of people who have eyeballs on your stuff, you're going to make some sales. So I'm getting more engagement on my other videos on my YouTube channel. There's all kinds of things. So let's go over the steps again. One, you make content. You turn that content into smaller pieces. When you're posting, when you're creating that content, that is digital marketing. And you're marketing a product, or you're marketing a lead magnet or something like that. Second step of the framework is asset amplifier, where you create an asset that's either a mini course or an ebook or physical book, audio book, anything that you can sell. You create assets. And then funnel fuel, you start writing the emails and you get some email marketing going. You test this, right? You test 1, 2, and 3. So you get people in, you see how many sales you make after you get people in. Once you perfect that and you get the numbers to somewhere you like, you got good open rates, you got good click-through rates, then you throw ads at it and you scale it. And that's it. That's what digital marketing is, not reselling. It's not reselling. Of course, I hope that gives you some clarity on what digital marketing is. I do more trainings and stuff like that on YouTube. And if you want some personalized guidance, if you want something specifically tailored for you, then we can hop on a coaching call. It's an hour long. The link will be in the description. Check that out. And hopefully I can help you move your business using this framework. I can't wait to see what you're going to do in 2025. I hope this helped.
Also, all these courses that you guys are taking on, Threads, DBA, Threads to Millions, all of that, the goal of those courses was to help you turn a passion into a profit, not to necessarily resell the course. I mean, that was a brilliant strategy. Brilliant. Because they got a bunch of you guys are their marketing team. You're their marketing team and you're marketing their stuff for free. And it becomes at some point very hard to resell courses that everybody else is reselling. So you take your own passion, your own profit. Do you want to paint? Do you want to dance? Do you want to play an instrument? And you create digital assets around that. That's what you create content around. That's what you market digitally. That's what you market online. That's what digital marketing is. You create something and then you send out information. You send out messaging. You post and you bring people to that thing that you created and you market it. That's a part of marketing. Hopefully that helped to explain in more depth what digital marketing is. It's not reselling courses. That's something different altogether. You do have to market to sell those courses, but selling the courses in itself is not digital marketing. Thanks for the question.